kissing me, gotcha? Uy, hanapan niyo ako ng Itsy ticket 3. Manonood kami ni Ate Maloy tapos sa pag-friend namin. Hanapan niyo ako ticket, bayaran ko na lang. Ang hirap kailangan yung mag-abang. Eh, di ba busy kasi kami, ang dami namin ginagawa. So, hindi ako makaabang, hindi ako makaasikaso talaga. Siyempre, kasi manonood ako ng Itsy, eh, yun yung old stand group ko na girl group.
I'll be a fan account for a second. Throwback to when I was late for their concert, but at least I saw them.
We got there at like 6:40 p.m. And then, nakita ko, it's a dog show, guys! Dog show! And I was like, Kuya, where's the VIP? And he's like, Ma'am, tapos na po. Saan po ba kayo pupunta? Sabi ko, Kuya, it's the concert po. Tapos sabi niya, Ma'am, dog show po ito. Ano po pinag-uusapan niyo? Literal dog show, ha? Literal!
Few moments later.
Sa kotse ako nagpapanik. But I can't do anything to Kuya. Tapos si Kuya nagpagas pa! Nagpagas pa siya! So mas na-late pa ako! Hindi ko naman pa rin sabihin mag-no kasi baka biglang tumigil yung kotse kasi walang gas, di ba? Bakit hindi siya nagpagas before me? Alam niyo guys, sobrang hirap na hirap ako sa Filipino subject. I mean, I can't explain how... When we took the diagnostic test, like... Oh my God! Oh my God! My brain. Like... My head, not once. Never siya sumakit because of an exam. But that time, I was like... El filibusterismo. I'm like... Kung ka nababasa yung El Filibusterismo, what do they want from me? That's my last part sa essay na ano, who's the best character? I was like, So parang ang ginawa ko, naghanap ako sa questions, like, okay, sino yung parang mukhang tama eh. So yung sinagot ko, one of the sons of, Siza ba? Ambot. Siza. I can lose when I'm with you. I can snooze the moment. Anyway, mababa pa rin score ko dun, guys. Hindi siya gumana yung pag-eme ko sa essay. Hindi talaga gumana. Like, araling panlipunan. Oh my gosh! It's economics, right? Or like social studies. Sabi ko, bakit? Since when siya naging Tagalog? Since when? Sabi ko, galit na galit ako sa exam. Since when to naging Tagalog? Ano ba?
A few moments later.
Here, I will be taking a test to pass Araling Panlipunan because that's the subject I failed. We all know why I failed it. It's surprising I didn't fail Filipino, but at least I didn't fail math.
Like, yun lang yung kaya ko yung pagmayabang. Yung ako nag-fail ng math.
One of these friends can order whatever she wants from the menu. The other has food allergies. You do your best to avoid food allergens, but accidents can still happen. Xolair is an FDA-approved injection proven to significantly reduce allergic reactions from accidental food exposures. Taken once or twice a month, it focuses on the source of food allergy reactions. For adults and children as young as 1, Xolair is effective in reducing allergic reactions to a single or multiple foods.
Don't use if you are allergic to Xolair. Xolair may cause a severe life-threatening allergic reaction.
Oh my God! He's not here! So guys, this is Daichi. And he's very annoying. Nom 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 nom. Oh, sige, be. Come in, be. Slowly but surely, be. Go, be. Come in, be. Guys, I'm not joking. He's not... Oh my God. Where did he go? the heck? I'm scared. Like, he might run to me and then spike me out of nowhere. This entire time I was here, I didn't even know he was gone. To find Daichi with Mika? Ay! Oh! I found the... He's in my underwear. What the heck, Daichi? What the heck? I'm obviously not gonna show you my underwear. But what the heck are you doing here? Let me just... What the heck? Why? Wala ba? Saan ba yung bata? Ano yung bata? Uy, pakita mo yung bata. No! Ay, ito oh, sa loob. Ayan o, yung maliit. Be, alis ka muna. Bugs, bugs, bugs. Abayan kita, sige. Bugs.
Mika, nabuntis yan siguro sa anak.
Ano?
Nabuntis.
Ay, ha?
Nasa kuko ka pa pala.
Nabuntis dahil sa anak? Eh, hindi nga. Ba't naman yung mabubuntis sa anak? Ano? Hedgehogs usapan, hindi mga tao. Kalma natin. Labas ka muna. Naiinis ako. Yan. Labas ka muna, be. Lalabas ka, lalabas ka. Ba't ka ba sa stretching dyan? Oh my gosh! Dalawa siya! Mama, dalawa! What the freak? What am I looking at? Tatlo! Tatlo sila! Ay! Pwede mo hulog. Charot. Congrats, new discovery.
Totoo yung mga hedgehog ni Mix. Gulat kami, nag-isang ahal, sabi niya, hala girls, tas na yung hedgehog ko, anak. Hala girls, apat pala, dalawa pala yung anak. Hala girls, lima, tatlo pala yung anak. Ha? Everyday nanganganak ang hedgehog ni Mix. What's wrong? Everyday? Everyday, latata naman yung mga hedgehogs niya. Wild ang mga hedgehogs ni Mix, ha?
Do you feel like you're stuck in partials? Did you know that you can get permanent teeth in just 24 hours?
My uncles, they're gonna stay in the same place, but you're gonna open it like that.
Sobrang conyut niya talaga before Englishera. So, hirap akong kausapin siya.
Hindi ako mag-aaksay ng oras kausapin ka. Mahirapan lang ako. Ganon.
Tagalog challenge na yan. Oo nga, magta-Tagalog challenge na ako. MJ, thank you po. Oh, walang ya. Hala, hindi mo lang, hindi. It's wrong. It's in a good way. It's in a complimenting way. You know, it's just that I'm so shocked. Nagulat talaga ako kasi, alam mo yun, mag-end na lang tayo ng 12 a.m. Alas 12. Tagalog ba yun? Di ba, ano? Oh! Nagpadala. Nagpadala si Ate Anjay ng Tsokolating burol.
Alam ko yan! Tagalog ng mga buwan.
Pero, mas, abil? No? Uyo. Pubaso. Setyembro. Okulo. Nobyembro. Desyembro. Na-bro lahat. Yakap. Yakap. Anya. Paalam. Huwag na natin to ulitin, ha? Sasakalin ko kayo sa susunod. Tumigil. Bumaba. Umikot. Tumigil. Umikot. Umikot. Bumaba nga.
One of you guys is a expert video gamer.
I think it's Mika. I used to be a pro at Call of Duty Mobile. I went against at Aya. Because I was like, oh, okay, show me what you got. And then, zero. Yeah.
She won barely.
I gave her some points. but in my world, I won.
I deleted my COD. Ayoko na. Yeah, I'll stick to Minecraft. I downloaded Minecraft 2 years ago and I've thought of deleting it. But for COD, I rest my case. I give it to Mika. She queen of COD. Sige na, don't let me kill him. You are the queen of COD. Ayoko na.
The city of pines, and now my dream is to make you mine.
Espanyol ka ba? Kasi sinakop mo yung puso ko eh.
Sabi natin, okay ka. Yaman. Okay tayo. Basta buhay.
Mika asim. Lo! Excuse me. Kahit ganito itsura ko, hindi ako maasim. Kakabigil ka. Gusto mo nga kami, Bobby.
Points game 1. Piste man o itong langaw na to.
Tama na! Ano ba? Daldal nyo eh. Blue's the best battle. We may not be the biggest battle, but our love for baby is enough. You guys, one fan is enough. Paano pa kaya ako madami kayo? If I'm man or... Thank you.